Breaking news, new at 5. It could happen soon in Illinois. Legal betting on baseball, football, basketball, and other sports. The Supreme Court today struck down a federal law prohibiting sports betting. CBS 2's Jim Williams reports right now state lawmakers are preparing legislation that could make wagering here as easy as using an app on your phone.
Outside of Wrigley Field this afternoon, Nick Kellum spoke for sports fans everywhere who like making a bet.
You're going to pay attention to it, so I don't see why it would hurt.
It's more fun to watch when you have a little money on the line.
Oh, yeah.
Fun, but forbidden now in Illinois and across the country outside of Nevada. The Supreme Court ruling could change that soon. CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller.
The ruling allows the states, if they want, to allow their citizens to engage in sports gambling. Any team, anytime they want.
Led by Illinois State Representative Lou Lang, lawmakers here are drafting legislation to sanction sports betting. But he cautions we have to do it right over doing it fast. Sports betting would generate millions in tax revenue for Illinois.
I think that gambling is something that takes money away from folks who can least afford to lose their money. That said, people like to gamble. It's here, and I personally will support those communities that would like to see gaming expanded within their communities.
The sports leagues have long fought widespread legal betting on their teams, fearing players and coaches might be influenced by bettors.
I would be hiring a lot of security guards if I were the NFL or NBA or whatever, just to make sure there's monitoring going around to make sure the integrity of the game is preserved.
Anita Bedell of the Illinois Church Action on Alcohol and Addiction is disappointed in the Supreme Court ruling, telling us online sports gambling will create a new generation of problem gamblers. Rob and Erica, experts say illegal gambling in Illinois adds up to $5 billion.
Wow. Okay. Thank you, Jim.